Most remote job searches fail, and it is rarely because of experience. It is usually the system. Most people search remote jobs, apply everywhere, and hear nothing back. The problem is not the applications, it is the search method. In this video, I will show you 5 changes that can improve your remote job search. No hype, just a system that works for beginners. And step 4 is the one most people skip completely, and it is the reason they keep getting scammed. I will cover that in about 6 minutes. Here are the 3 mistakes almost every beginner makes when looking for remote jobs. Mistake number 1, searching on the wrong platforms. Indeed and LinkedIn are flooded with applicants. The best quiet remote roles are listed on specialist boards most people have never heard of. Mistake number 2, applying with a generic CV. Most companies use software to automatically filter out CVs before a human even reads them. If your CV does not contain the right keywords, it gets rejected automatically. Mistake number 3, applying for the wrong job types. Searching remote jobs is too broad. You need to search by job title, and I'm going to show you exactly which titles to search. I made all 3 of these mistakes when I started. Here's how to avoid them. So let us fix mistake number 3 first, because getting the job title right changes everything else that follows. Step 1, stop searching for remote jobs. That search is too competitive and too broad. Instead, search by job title. Here are the titles I would focus on as a complete beginner. Virtual assistant, chat support specialist, data entry clerk, community moderator, content reviewer, online research assistant. These roles are almost always remote, rarely require phone calls, and they hire beginners constantly. Write these down or grab my free Smarter Job Search Guide in the description below. It walks you through your entire job search so nothing slips through the cracks. Completely free. Link is right below. Now you know what to search. The next step is knowing where to search. And this is where most beginners waste weeks. Step 2, stop applying on Indeed for remote jobs. The roles on Indeed are the most competitive because everyone sees them. Here is something surprising. The less known the job board, the less competition you face. Most beginners are all fishing in the same crowded pond. We are going to show you the quieter ones. Number 1, we work remotely. This is my personal favorite. Every single job listed is remote. No filtering required. Go there first. Number 2, remote OK. Updated daily. Easy to filter by skill level and experience. Great for beginners. Number 3, Jobspresso. Smaller and more curated, which means less competition for each role. Quality over quantity. Bookmark all 3 right now. Check them every Monday morning. That is your entire job board strategy. But here's the part that trips up even organized beginners. Getting your CV past the filter before a human ever sees it. This sounds technical. It is not. You do not need any tech background for what I am about to show you. It takes about 10 minutes and it is completely free to try. Step 3, fix your CV before you apply anywhere. Most companies, even small ones, use software called an ATS, or Applicant Tracking System. This software filters out CVs before a human ever reads them. If your CV does not contain the right keywords from the job description, it gets rejected automatically. The hiring manager never even sees it. And this matters more than you think, because the roles that use ATS filtering are often the ones that pay $18 to $25 an hour. Getting past the filter is what separates beginners who hear back from beginners who do not. The tool I use to fix this is called JobScan. You paste in your CV and the job description, and it tells you exactly which keywords are missing and what to change. There is a free version you can use right now. I have linked it in the description below. It takes about 10 minutes and it makes a significant difference to how many responses you get. So your search is targeted, your boards are right, Your CV is optimized. Now let us make sure you do not waste that effort on something that was never a real job to begin with. Step 4. Protect yourself. Remote job scams are everywhere in 2026. Here are 3 red flags to walk away from immediately. This is the step I mentioned at the start, and it is the reason so many beginners lose time and money. Red flag number 1. They ask you to pay anything. Any legitimate employer pays you. If they ask for money up front for equipment, training, or a background check, it is a scam. Walk away. Red flag number 2. The pay is unrealistically high for a simple task. $500 a day to send emails is not a real job. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Red flag number 3. They contact you out of nowhere on WhatsApp or Telegram. Legitimate employers do not recruit this way, ever. If you see any of these signs, walk away immediately. What I am about to show you is the single biggest difference between beginners who get hired within 30 days and beginners who apply for 6 months and hear nothing. Stay with me for the next 2 minutes. Step 5. The question I get asked most often. How do I get hired with no experience? The answer is proof of work. You do not need a job to prove you can do a job. Think about it this way. Every employer is trying to answer one question. Can this person actually do the work? Your job is to answer that question before they even ask it. If you want to be a virtual assistant, create a sample task list, schedule, or organized inbox, and take a screenshot. If you want to do data entry, create a sample spreadsheet showing your accuracy and attention to detail. If you want to do chat support, write 3 sample customer responses showing how you handle a complaint professionally. Put all of these in a simple Google Doc. Link it in every application. That is your portfolio. It costs nothing to create, and it separates you from every other beginner applicant. So to recap, search by job title, not remote jobs. Use We Work Remotely, Remote OK, and Jobspresso. Fix your CV with JobScan before every application. Watch for scam red flags. And build proof of work before you apply. If you want everything I just covered in one place, grab my free Smarter Job Search Guide. It is linked below and takes about 30 seconds to download. And if you want a more structured, step-by-step system, I also created a Smarter Job Search workbook with templates, trackers, and guided exercises to help you actually implement everything consistently. The link is below. If this helped, subscribe. I post honest, practical remote job content every week. No hype, no unrealistic promises, just what actually works. And the next video you should watch is this one. It covers real remote jobs you can do with just your smartphone. No laptop needed. See you there.